September 17, that's the birthday, 71st birthday of our Prime Minister. On that day, Rajbhavan declared that we are going to give our aid, financial aid to 71 dialysis patients. I would like to say, my secretary says, our declared target was 71 dialysis patient will get the benefit. Now, without any hesitation, proudly I can say, Rajbhavan has distributed this dialysis patients benefit to 500 people in Goa. We are going to help TB patients, and Rajbhavan is going to take initiative for giving financial aid and other help for 72 patients. So 72 cancer patients, 72 TB patients, and 72 dialysis patients. All these 12 panchayats should work together, whether ruling party, opposition party, whatever. That is a part of the democracy, not enemies. So in that way, you will work and we will be able to achieve our goal.